Annyeonghaseyo everyone. So, live update me in the province. So today, we are harvesting some coconut because we're making buku pandan with coconut. Yeah. And that's our kuan. Yes. Someone is harvesting some coconut out there. Like that one. This is my brother, my Lola, my grandma, my mother. And this is me. Look at the view, guys. It's so nice. And if you're wondering why I'm so black, because we're in the province is normal, duh. So see ya, guys. I'm back. And then my mother is learning how to drive a motor. And my brother is teaching my mother how to drive. And this is my beautiful grandma. Char. You guys, look at that. And this is the coconut tree. Ooh, there's a lot, guys. And yeah, someone is climbing to get coconut there. Yeah, that one. Oh, guys. They're starting out. My mother is starting to learn. So, that's all. Bye. I'm drinking some coconut water. I'm drinking some coconut water. Fresh from the coconut tree. So let's drink it. Guys, my Lola is kuan. Nagyaw-yaw. So, let's eat! 잘 먹겠습니다.
Katagna dud ko. Di na do mo makahinugdog. Halipay sa apuhan nga dito
Fresh. So fresh. You know, guys, that coconut have a lot of benefits from your body. So take care of your body, guys, and drink coconut water all the time because coconut water is healthy and a lot of protein.
Dito din makinakog kaya kugan ko tas Ginoo.
Fresh. Bye-bye. We are gonna cook the coconut. Ayong so lagum.
Gahi na rin ma.
The coconut water is so sweet.
Ay. Bader.
Ice.
Kuya, di ba na maukuya?
That's all the coconut.
Oh, ang tanan tubig.
Oh.
Unya ikuan diri.
Coconut. Oh, look at.
Bono na tubig. Guys, ampo mo diha maputol akong kamot simba ko.
Nag-vlog day akong mother.
Master ko ani. Master ng anak ka laglubi at orong si babaw. Ang apuhan sa una. Kalingaw na kasuko.
So, magsugod na tag-kubkub.
Kawa sa di akwini.
Okay.
Kuhaon pa ditanan ang tubig. Alright, guys.
Yes, guys, too. Look at the view, guys. Manang view. There is a bukid.
Ato pakalugsong dito ga. Baybadon mo na.
Di ko, uy. Di na ko ninyo makitaan.
Kari di aren puti. Der kare.
That is the coconut water. And that is the coconut.
Kari ba di ang puti?
Guys, it's free, bara. It's free. All this coconut is free. Here in province, cause in province, there's a lot of coconuts and it's all free. There's no bayad-bayad. It's all free. Oh my God. Ooh, the coconut water. My
benefit sa inyong body.
My mother is so master about this.
Hey. Ang dapit nga reo, mura man nagbutong. Ilawa kuya.
Ano ba ang iyong paghinga? Bumalik ka na sa akin. Klaro na ba ang isista? Bumalik ka na sa akin. Hindi ka na nagparamdam. Buhat ng kulog ako'y nahibang. Sige na please, wag kang mainis. Bumalik ka na sa akin. Sorry, mahal, ika'y nasaktan. Bumalik ka na sa akin. Bumalik ka na sa akin. Story time. Bisaya ka na lang, Lolo. Doon ka, lipat ka doon. Lipat ka doon. Don't push yourself.
I'm sorry.
Doon.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, Otipi.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, we are cool.
Ako wala ba? Kalau yun na ba? Na may ipilog sa isang sa karong yun na.
You listen carefully.
Pasapasa ko mo. Amo na ako makasal ko alibay nga kulong para makasabot mo about this month.